Hey traders, hope you're having a great day. Altcoins are showing a bit of strength today, and XLM is one of the standout performers. Stellar has shown strong bullish momentum, surging approximately 15% to 18% over the last 24 hours. If you've been following our signals, you'll know that today's XLM trading signals have performed exceptionally well, with most targets already reached. And we're not stopping there. Fresh XLM trading signals will be posted soon on our Patreon page, so make sure you don't miss the next opportunity. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, now is a great time to stay updated with the latest market setups and premium trading signals. Start with our tester plan for just $10 per month. The link is in the description and comments. Join now using the link in the description and bio. As always, please do your own research and manage your risk carefully. Disclaimer, this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Thanks for watching and happy trading!